That is kind of disappointing. Surely, I'm not the only one who's wondering if the iPhone 15 Pro with its titanium frame is going to wear better than an iPhone 14 Pro with its stainless steel frame. Let's find out together. So the plan is to drop these things 50 times in a relatively same manner, and then we're going to see which one looks better. Let's do this, Monty. My hardwood! Oh, I don't think that's coming out. Probably. Well, I don't think I'm getting those dents out. Look, a rock. After 10 drops, the titanium iPhone 15 has got a cracked back. That is kind of disappointing. Definitely tell that the iPhone 15 Pro is a little more beat up after all that. That's only been 10 drops. Let's keep going. This is what the iPhone 14 Pro looks like. This is what the iPhone 15 Pro looks like. This looks like it's in way better shape than this. I was kind of expecting one of these to bow this way. Guess we got to go higher. So I tried to make it about the same height, but it kind of looks like the iPhone 14 Pro's edge isn't as beat up as the 15 Pro's edge, but these iPhones are basically unusable. Like, that's kind of crazy. I'm gonna flip it over on the other side and see if I can be a little more specific with my drop heights. So this is what the iPhone 14 Pro looks like after almost 50 drops. Dude, we didn't make 50. We got like 46 and something started smelling funny. This is the iPhone 15 Pro. It's equally as useless. It's just a scratch. It's still good, it's still good. So the thing with titanium is that it's stronger than stainless steel on a weight-to-weight basis, I think, but it's gonna scratch a little easier. So let's take a closer look. So the corners of the 15, which is this blue one, is a little more scuffed up. One thing I do notice about the 14 Pro is that the corners have a lot more of these dings. I think there's one over here. So kind of in all the drops, it seems to deform a little more, which makes sense given that titanium is supposed to be stronger than the stainless steel. I'm really surprised at how much more glass broke around the camera area. And that might have been a function of one of the drops, because once you break glass, it just keeps going. Even like, look at the damage in this corner. Like, on the 15, it seems a lot less severe than on the 14. Does that make sense to you guys? Because the corners on the iPhone 15 Pros or the iPhone 15s are rounded, so it's gonna deflect a drop better than the almost 90-degree angles found on the iPhone 14s. The one kettlebell drop right on the button area on the iPhone 15s, that like put a massive dent in it. I kind of missed in the same spot, so really can't say if that was a deal breaker or not. So at the end of the day, I think the iPhone 15 Pro with its titanium frame is definitely tougher than the stainless steel frames of the 14 Pros, which is kind of cool. I think I am gonna start using my iPhone 15 without cases, just to see what's gonna happen. First time watching my videos, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button. I've got a ton of MagSafe top 5, top 10 videos coming on the next few days. So if you are getting an iPhone 15 and you're looking to get more accessories, make sure you check out those videos, because I've spent a lot of money buying accessories. All right, thanks for watching.